I just opened my own ASIC miner shop. As you are hearing, today we have a special video because I'm gonna show you the new shop I just created where you can buy miners ASICs at the best price. If you don't know me, my name is Pedro Mantilla, owner of the channel Dominio Crypto and Dominio Crypto English, which is this channel. And hopefully, if you are seeing this video, there's two options. One, you are subscribed to my channel and you just discovered that I open a shop, or number two, this video you're watching it from the own shop. In this video, I'm gonna explain you how the shop works, what prices we have, how in general it works, and I'm gonna share a little bit with you about the opening of this shop, which for me was very important, so you understand a little bit about me. In case that, as I said, you don't know me, my channel Dominio Crypto in Spanish has 20,000 followers, and I'm basically using this opportunity to sell ASIC miners at the best price, at least to all the people from Latin America and Spain, but also for people from English-speaking countries. We make deliveries to the USA, to the UK, and to most of the world. So if you have any questions, you will see them during the video. As I said, we are very transparent, so you will be able to contact us through the website. And in this video, I'm just gonna show you a little bit how it works. So I'm gonna stop talking and let's get to it. Let's go! Okay, so as I said, here we are in the website that I just opened. But first, I wanted to talk a little bit about my channel so you know more about me. Why I'm talking about myself? Well, because my channel, my main channel is Dominio Crypto, okay? As you can see, is in Spanish. We have 21,000 followers, and well, we have a decent number of views, okay, in my channel. Why am I explaining this? Well, because probably if you're watching this video in Dominio Crypto English, basically Dominio Crypto English is the video, well, is the place where you're seeing these videos, and it's where I upload my videos translated to English, okay? I'm trying to grow this audience, but the channel is pretty small. I think I have like 100 subscribers in the moment that I'm making this video. So if you see someone with 100 subscribers opening a shop, it doesn't sound like very trustworthy, okay? So that's why I'm trying to explain to you. My name is Pedro. As I said, I have this channel, so the characteristics in my channel is that I'm always very transparent, and I want to show you that in this video. First of all, that I'm this person, that's what I do, so that's kind of the trustworthy part of it. And second, in the shop, we are trying to be super open. So you will be able to contact us, you will be able to ask us anything, and everything will be very clear. So apart from buying, you have an experience where you can really trust the buyer, because that's actually the problem that we are trying to fix, okay? We opened the shop because we saw that buying from China, most of the cases is very dark. You don't really understand who you're talking with, and the main way to pay for these ASIC miners is or crypto or bank transfer, but to China. So you don't feel really confident to send the money to the Chinese guy who knows if he's gonna give you the ASIC, right? So the idea is that we give you enough confidence so you buy with us. It's kind of the idea, okay? Apart from that, we have good prices. So I'm gonna show you the website, and let's go step by step. First, when you enter in the website, you say Dominio Crypto. It's basically in English, the basic part, so that's great. And you can see cryptocurrency miners, best prices and trustworthy. That's kind of our slogan. As you can see, if you go here, you can go to the catalog and you can see all the products. Under that, you have different categories, okay? The most thing we have is Bitcoin ASIC miners, okay? But we also have Cadena, Ethereum Classic, Litecoin, spare parts. Here we're gonna put silencers to make it more silence, the miners, immersion cooling systems. We're still working on that, but all of that. And then you have all products where you can see just all products. Here you have the latest additions that we just added. And here you have this video. Right now is the Spanish video, but hopefully I will be able to put in the English version the English video, and in the Spanish version the Spanish video. Hopefully, because I'm not completely sure now how can I do that. I'm having some trouble to basically translate the website, but that's kind of the way. After that, you can see in the down part, the first thing that I want to mention is that here you have our mail and our WhatsApp. The WhatsApp starts with +7 because me, Pedro Mantilla, I live in Kazakhstan. My wife is from Kazakhstan. We tried to open a farm in Kazakhstan. It's a long story. I have been studying here for 2 years. If you want more about that, I have a complete YouTube channel about it. But yeah, I live in Kazakhstan, so that's why the number starts with a 7. It's basically my number from Kazakhstan, because my WhatsApp business, I have it in the Kazakh number. It doesn't have a starting from the Spanish number because my normal personal number, it is from Spain, but the WhatsApp business I have is from a Kazakh number. So well, maybe this changed in the future, maybe it has +34, I don't know. Anyways, here you can contact us directly, and in sales@Dominio Crypto, you can also contact us directly. Please be aware of scammers, okay? Even in this small channel, there's still sometimes comments of guys trying to scam you. I will never offer you any investing advice. I will never ask you for your money. If you contact us, is the only way that I will talk to you. I will never go and talk to you directly unless if I answer a comment and I'll tell you go through the Instagram, which is the main way. But here you see, if you click, it will just send a mail, and if you click in the WhatsApp, it will send you to basically the WhatsApp web, so you can talk to me. Okay, right now it's opening. I see it's going a little bit slow. I don't know why the API for WhatsApp sometimes is slow, but yeah, here you can talk to me. Okay, this is basic and simple, and as I say, it's safe. After that, we have the main page, which is the shop. Okay, in ASIC miners, as I say, we have different categories. Right now in Litecoin, we only have the L7, so we have them for these prices around $12,000, which I think is pretty competitive. You can tell me if it's not. Then we have the Cadena minings, we have the small ones, the CK box. This one is not Cadena, actually, this is Nervos. I have to change that. But we have the Cadena box, which is the small one, the KD Max, the KD Lite, the KD6, and the KD5 Pro. For Ethereum Classic, we don't have many still. We are gonna put all the iPolos. We don't have them yet, and I don't know also why this picture is not appearing. But we will have the iPolos in the future, hopefully. And we have the E9, okay? The E9 is the biggest miner for Ethereum right now. As I said, personally, I'm not the most bullish on Ethereum. That's why we don't have that much. I mean, after the merge, Ethereum Classic, I don't know how profitable it's going to be. That's why we don't have that many right now, because I don't think it's the best idea. And I want to sell something that I like. But still, if you want to buy it, I mean, you have it there. And the most we have is Bitcoin ASIC miners. At the end, for mining, we are very, let's say, Bitcoin bullish. And you can see we have most of them, okay? We have the M30S, the M30 Plus, the M30S++. We have from 112 terahash all the way to, I think, 80 is the smallest. And we also have from Bitmain the S19s, okay? We have the S19 Pro of 100, of 96, 110, the XPs, the ASIC A1 Pro, which is the most like inefficient miner ever, but hey, if you have free energy, electricity, you can gain your investment back in what, 3 months. And then we have the M30s, M31s, 80, 82 terahash. We have everything, okay? Almost from small to big, from the T19s all the way up, even from T17s we have. So as you see, we have a lot of them, and this is the main way to buy, okay? Let's say you want to buy the S19 of 110, for example, okay? You go to the S19, you will go to add to cart, and as you can see, the price is $4,899. You can check in other websites, maybe you find something that is better, but I think that is the more, if not the cheapest, one of the cheapest. We have pretty good prices because we have great contacts in China, and yeah, I'm very proud of the prices actually, because for a small shop, I think we have great prices, to be completely honest. But hey, if you find something better, good for you, good for you. So here you would put basically your address and everything, okay? Here, this is not my actual address, please don't send anything there. It's just one so we can try it. And you can see that the shipping depends on the miner, okay? Depending on how much it weighs. The small ones maybe it's like $70. The middle ones, which is the M30s, are around 250, and these big ones, the S19s, are around 320. If you want a more specific price, because at the end we cannot specify, we can specify for different countries, but it's not that easy. If you live in America, let's say for example USA, and you want a more specific price, you can always contact us, and maybe we can make it a little bit lower. I say it depends because the market goes changing all the time, but at the end there's always some fluctuation. Maybe we could make it a little bit lower if you contact us through the WhatsApp or the mail, okay? But it's gonna be something like that. So at the end it will be like 1,200, and there is 5,200, and there is like 3 ways of payment. First way is direct bank transfer, okay? We are working right now with a bank in Lithuania, okay? It's BERS, and as you may know, in the European Union, the eastern countries of the Baltic, they work very good with banking. We are on the process of opening our company in Estonia, and it's the best way to have, well, a bank account who is regulated under the European Union and is something trustworthy. It's not China, it's Europe basically. So this is our bank account right now. Maybe we'll make the business one in like a month, hopefully. So basically, if you want to buy through the bank account, you just make a bank transfer, and you send us a mail or you contact us in the WhatsApp and you tell us, hey, I made the bank transfer, and you show us the receipt. When we receive the money, we will send to you. The other way you have to pay is basically through USDT, okay? We have with the Tron network. Why? Because the commissions are very, very low, so it's great. And again, if you send through the Tron network, you just send us a mail or send us a contact through WhatsApp saying that you paid. We'll confirm that the funds are there, and when the funds are there, we'll buy it and we'll send it to you, okay? We'll buy it, we'll get it from our provider. And the third way is through Coinbase payment. In Coinbase payment, you basically enter the interface of Coinbase, okay? Interface is pretty easy. You just go straight forward to the page, and it will tell you how much you have to pay. You can pay with Bitcoin, Dogecoin, Bitcoin Cash, Tether, USDT basically, Ethereum, Litecoin, ApeCoin, whatever you want to pay, okay? You go to Ethereum, it gives you the address. You can pay, even if you have an account with Coinbase, you can directly pay from Coinbase. So it's very easy to use. As I said, the only thing is we prefer to use Tether, basically USDT. Why? Because the commission is super few. Okay, for you to send the money through USDT is nothing, and that's why we put USDT separately, because they don't have the Tron network in Coinbase. So I think it's more interesting. But if you want to use Coinbase Commerce, hey, up to you. They charge a fee of like 1%, which the client pays. So for me, there's no problem. But if you want to use Coinbase, so it's perfect. Okay. So these are the main things we have, and then we'll go into two very important things. Well, first, we do have a GPU mining site. Okay, it's in a different site because this one only works for Spanish people. Okay, we do not send this to English-speaking countries because the UK is out of the European Union right now. So that's not interesting for you, I guess. But we do have the contact us form, which is very important. Here, if you have any questions, you can just write us. Okay, you put the subject, the name, and you ask for anything. If you want to buy bulk orders, okay, like a lot of miners, you can do it. Feel free to contact us and we'll give you the best quotes. And also here again, you have the mail, you have the WhatsApp, just contact us. We'll try to be as clear as we can, so you can get it as easy as possible. And the most important thing, the frequent asked questions. How does the shipping work? What happens if I buy with you? How all this works? Well, first of all, what is the shipping methods? For now, shipping methods is express shipping, which means by plane. It should be around 14 days to arrive to your home, okay? Technically, we take up to 14 days to ship it. Normally, it's like 3 or 4, but you never know, it can be more. And after that is around 14 days to that it will arrive into your home. It can be shorter, it can be longer, depends on how the planes are working on those days. You know how it works when you bring stuff from other country, but in general it should be a short period of time. Maybe in the future we'll put by boat, to send by boat, by sea, which is cheaper, but it takes like 2 months. So I think in general people who's mining is not interested in those short long-term shippings, but maybe we'll put that option into the future. Right now we don't have it. Do we ship internationally? Yes, we ship to most of the countries in North America, South America. Africa, we don't have it right now. Asia, I think we have Australia and a couple of countries more, and Europe, we have all Europe. So if you have any questions because your country is not supported, you put, I don't know, you put India and it's not supported, well, just text us and we'll see what we can find, because I'm sure there is a way. It's just there's not a lot of people interested from there. In our case, most of the people is interested from the Spanish community, so that's all the countries that we added first. But if you are interested and you're from another country that is not supported, do not worry, just contact us and we'll find a way to send it to you. Will I have to pay anything else? Yes, you do. Okay, this is important. When the miner arrives into your country, you will have to pay imports and customs. Okay, we do not pay customs. It's how everyone works in this business. We are sending from China, and the customs you pay them when they arrive. We do send how do you say? We send a payment, a pro forma, which is of the smaller size. So we don't say like 5,000. We send a little bit reduced one, and you can pay less taxes. It's very common thing actually. What payments are accepted? As we saw already, crypto basically and bank transfer, because credit card for those huge amounts normally get declined. That's why we didn't put it. We could put it, but it gets declined for those big amounts. And also paying 3% of $5,000 is a lot of money that the client would have to pay extra. So I don't think it's interesting. If you think you would really want to and you think it's interesting, maybe we'll put it in the future. But right now we do not have it, okay? Is buying with you safe? Well, the idea is to be as transparent as possible, so you can feel safe when you buy with us. You know who we are. My name is Pedro. As I said, if you know Spanish, you will know me from my channel. If you don't know Spanish and you know me only from the English channel, as I said, it's very small. That's why I'm trying to be as transparent as possible. But that's the idea. It's safe because you know who we are, and we try to work in the most clear possible way. Okay. Do you do refunds? This is very important. We do not do refunds. Why? Because when we get a miner from the providers, okay, basically that's how it works. We are not the owners of the manufacturing place. We have deals with them, and because they sell a big number of them, we get a better price, but we cannot give them back. Once we pay them, they don't give the machine back, okay? It's how it works in ASIC miners. So no, once you paid, we cannot give you your miner back, okay? If you didn't pay, actually, like we didn't receive the money yet, yes, you can take it back normally, but if we already receive it, we already paid, so we cannot, okay? How can I cancel or change my order? Well, yeah, you can just do that normally. Basically, if you have any problem, you can contact us in the contact page. And lastly, do miners have warranty? Normally, they have between 6 months and 1 year from fabric, okay, from production date. This is how it works in all industry. When you receive the miner, you will have the serial number, and with the serial number, you will be able to basically call Bitmain or contact Bitmain, and you will get warranty from Bitmain. We don't give the warranty ourselves. The warranty is from the manufacturers. Okay, that's how it works in this business. And as I said, is the normal standard. We do not change anything. So yeah, from 6 months to a year depends on the machine. Because for example, Cadena gold cell is like 6 months normally. But yeah, that's basically. So with that, we have I think almost everything covered. Okay, that's basically how it works. The website is not very complicated. I don't want to make it longer. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact us. You have the comments below. You have the Instagram. You can contact us in the mail, in the WhatsApp, whatever you want. And yeah, the idea, as I said, is to have the most competitive prices. As I said, if you buy more miners, we can get better prices. But I think right now we are one of the best. I think we beat up almost everyone in ASIC miner value. So yeah, I'm very proud of the website. I like it a lot. I think it works very well. At least with Spanish clients, it's working. So if you are interested, we'll be waiting for you. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, please leave it in the comments below or contact us in Instagram. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye!